this is the phone we've all been waiting for. This is, of course, the iPhone X. I don't think it requires any sort of introduction, but this device really is Apple's first major overhaul of iPhone in a number of years, and I think it's been long overdue. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what that iPhone X hype is all about. As far as the packaging goes, nothing too exciting here, although this is the most colorful iPhone box we've seen in a while, of course, to really showcase that display. We'll peel back the plastic wrap, slide open the box, and the first thing we're greeted by is the familiar "Designed by Apple in California" text printed on a little packet that holds a couple Apple stickers, some legal info, and a quick start guide to help you get set up. Underneath all that junk is the iPhone X itself. As far as what else comes inside the box, no surprises here, nothing fancy. You get the usual wired ear pods with a lightning to auxiliary adapter, the small 5-watt charging brick, and a lightning cable. So when I first picked up the phone, I immediately noticed how heavy it was. I'll talk more about the build quality in a second, but with all that glass and stainless steel, this is a hefty device. Setting it up for the very first time, there are a few new options and information. The first is Face ID, of course, no home button and no more Touch ID. Face ID is how you unlock the device. And honestly, the setup process was very quick. You sort of just move your head around in a circle and it scans your face twice, and that's it. It's very straightforward, and even with my camera in the way, I didn't have any issues. The iPhone X is the first iPhone with essentially a bezel-less design. The 5.8-inch screen stretches from top to bottom, corner to corner. I will say though that coming from using the larger 5.5-inch Plus iPhones the last 3 years, I really like the form factor of this device. It's still a little larger of a device, but it's a lot more comfortable than using an iPhone 8 Plus. And really, this is something Apple probably should have done a long time ago, but I'm happy they finally caught up with everyone else. The all-glass and stainless steel design of this device certainly makes you feel like you're getting a nice, premium, expensive piece of hardware in your hand. I know that flashy stainless steel chrome finish along the edges isn't everyone's cup of tea, but I personally like it. Yes, it's going to get scratched and marked up, but just like the stainless steel Apple Watch, scratches can easily be buffed out, so it's not a huge deal. Again, I've only had the device for a few hours now. This was just my unboxing and initial impressions, and I really look forward to using this device for a while before I jump to any conclusions. I'm interested to see how the cameras hold up against the competition, especially the front-facing camera with portrait mode, and of course all the great animojis I'll make and send to my friends. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.